So if you need
Because
something,
for me, when I do it, my oil change, I buy from Walmart. Pennzoil.
Okay.
With the oil filter, I just drain it here. That's it.
My girlfriend's truck, I normally buy it from Walmart. Yeah, I do that. I don't take advantage of it like this. Oh, I can bring every car in here. No, I don't do that. My personal car, if I need something, I usually let him know. That's it. Okay. Right now, I'm gonna call him and tell him I got a filter and oil and trans fluid, and he's no problem. The other day I did. What did I do, my Rahman?
I didn't see.
Yeah,
you
we
call
just
him.
we
What you buy?
well the receipt. I'll put his name for Hassan, and they see
He's
it.
busy with his mom right now.
Yeah, I know. But why you say you call him? You didn't
No, I
call him.
He called.
normally I
He
call
called.
him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna just sit there.
Because in the receipt you write Hassan.
They have to.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So at least he understand.
Absolutely,
You understand me?
absolutely.
No, no. Listen. Did you understand?
No, I
what
don't
said?
understand you.
Yeah.
That I'm very
I'm not recording for real. I'm just fucking with you guys, bro. But yeah. So when you owned it, we had a free oil change. What, once a month or what?
How do you guys?
Once a year? What?
No, for me, I still have 71 percentage from my car.
No, he's asking when you.
Well, you said one free car when you
That's
owned it.
Total?
Yeah, is that a month? Is that every 3 months? Is that every
No,
6
when-
months or
when,
once a
you know,
year?
when we put the sticker and we look for the sticker. And that time we use it the 3,000.
The regular
Okay.
oil?
You know, yeah. If he passed the 3,000, yeah, he changed it. When I am in charge, this is what I do.
We got one
For
up.
them.
No.
No, they're leaving.
This is what, I mean, just ask about the rules.
No, I know. You're just wondering how.